Hey guys, welcome. Today I want to spend a few minutes talking to you about the all new, beautiful 7.0 Elite helicopter from Tron Helicopters. As always, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on some really cool content I have to offer here. This is the latest and greatest machine from Tron, arriving at hobby retailers around the world on October 30th, 2025. If you haven't pre-ordered yours, maybe this is the time to consider doing so because I'm being told that the first batch is going to be a little bit small. So why is this helicopter so special? There are a lot of different reasons for that. So first of all, the Elite uses real carbon fiber frames. So if you're not aware, many of the other brands, even top brands that you might not even think about, use a carbon layered mix. Not Tron. Tron uses real 100% carbon fiber. In this particular helicopter, combined with other features, give the 7.0 Elite an incredible amount of rigidity. Tron is also keeping up with the times and has upgraded the main shaft to a 15 millimeter shaft. It is hollow, so it's not heavier than the previous 12 millimeter shaft. The main rotor head has also been beefed up, big time. It is incredibly strong and offers some really cool features, such as a sealed thrust bearing grease system that keeps the grease where it belongs, in the bearings themselves and not on your blades as you spool up. Also, there's a blade grip crash protector, and this protector basically just keeps the grips from getting messed up in the event of a crash as your blades fold. The main rotor head is also programmable, meaning that you can change the ratio if you're more into F3C or sport flying versus flying 3D. And as we move down the frame, you can see that the main shaft is not only bigger and stronger, but it's also supported by a total of 5 bearings. 2 in the cylinder, 2 up, 2 down, that's 4. And then you got another bearing down here in the lower bearing block for supporting the bottom of the shaft. The main gear is now a 21 millimeter very thick CNC herringbone style split main gear. It's incredibly strong. And the mainframe design is also angled, which allows the machine to sit on the ground with a little bit added tail clearance. So this just gives you a little bit better, more confidence during takeoffs and landings, especially if you're flying on tall grass. There's a tail belt tensioner in the front on the right-hand side, just like in previous helicopters. There's also a tensioner pulley in the tail. This reduces belt slap. And the tail case has been redesigned for additional strength. And also the tail belt is now 8 millimeters for additional durability. The battery tray compartment is slightly angled, and that simplifies the battery changes. And what's best, if you own the Tron 7.0 or 7.0 Advanced, the Elite accepts the same battery tray. That's really, really cool. The Elite comes with a beautiful, aggressive, and sleek canopy. I just have a prototype right here. This is not really it. But the final product that will ship with this kit, you can see on the screen, is really, really amazing. It looks really, really cool. And of course, you have the matching painted tail boom and the tail fin, so you don't have to use stickers and worry about that. So the entire color package offers the best visibility in the air for sure. Other canopy and boom colors will be available, in case you prefer a different look. Last but not least, the Tron Elite supports up to 730 millimeter blades, so you can use huge blades. And this is really amazing and a nice option for those of you guys that prefer a more floaty, light feeling helicopter. So there you have it, the Tron 7.0 Elite. Pre-order yours at bkhobbies.com.